Okay, just a tip for parking lots. It's not like doing a driveway. What you didn't see is there's 4 people out here, and we've been scrubbing, and I mean scrubbing this lot for 5 hours. If you look down at this asphalt, this has all been scrubbed by a hand brush, by a Bensic broom. It's been blown 2 or 3 times. Parking lots are different. This is a warehouse. If you're going to do a warehouse, they're filthy, they're dirty. If you just clean them briefly and spray them, it's all going to come off. You got to scrub every inch of the asphalt. It's hard work. It's really hard work if you do it right, but you have to. This is not an office building when Tom got a F-150 in accounting and he's feeling frisky. This is a warehouse. It gets filthy. If you're going to do these kind of jobs, you have to spend hours cleaning with good equipment. You can see how clean this lot is now.
Hi, just a tip. If you take a look at this asphalt has a white stone in it. When you're dealing with this type, this is more common in South Jersey, it has that white stone in it, a flatter surface. If you're going to seal this type of asphalt, you want to put a hardener and a fortifier in your sealer. So just giving you a small tip, just make sure you put that hardener, fortifier in your sealer, and it'll give you a much better finish than if you didn't add it at all.
All right, this is what I call dedication. The boss says, I gotta do this. And there she is, working hard in there. And we give 100%, that's for sure. %.
First, we're putting on a light coat, we're putting in a heavy coat.